On Amazing Kitchen today, I'll be showing you how to make milk bread. It is a very fluffy and soft bread that you can easily make at home. So if you enjoy something like this, or if you've never heard of it, stay tuned and see how it's done. So let's get into cooking. For this recipe, we'll start with 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Then we'll require some fresh milk, preferably whole milk, 200 milliliter of milk. Then we add that to a measuring cup. Then we'll heat our saucepan and add the milk to it and bring it up to temperature very slowly, up to 37 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Fahrenheit, so that the milk is not too hot or else you'll burn the yeast. Then we'll get the milk, we'll pour it over our dry ingredients, give it a quick stir so the sugar and salt is well dissolved in our milk. Now once that is done, we can add our yeast to it and also give it a quick stir. Then we can add 1 large egg to this mixture. Make sure the egg is at room temperature. Once everything is well stirred, we'll start with some flour. You can use plain flour or bread flour, either one will do. Then we'll require 2 1/4 cup of flour. We add it directly to the liquid and mix everything in together until it forms a nice sticky dough. Now don't worry if the dough is a little too sticky. You can always add some flour at the end when you're kneading it. But mix it well and transfer to your surface which you wish to work on. We'll start by sprinkling some flour on the top so that the dough won't stick to your surface. Then we'll just knead it quickly, a little bit. Then we can add some butter to this whole mixture. We'll add 40 grams of butter, fold it in. Make sure the butter is semi-soft so that everything will dissolve nicely in the dough. Then we continue to knead the dough and add flour as needed, but make sure you continue this for about 12 minutes. Now that the dough is nice and smooth, we can transfer it to our resting container and cover it with some saran wrap, or a moist towel will also do. Then we give it a rest to rise for 1 hour. Now once the hour is up, we press to release all the gas. Then sprinkle some more flour and then we can remove it and transfer it to our surface again so that we can mold it into the shape that we like. Now at this point, you can make 1 large bread or you can split it into little buns. Choice is yours. For me, I went ahead and make the large bun. So with a rolling pin, we'll flatten it lightly, form an elongated shape. Then we'll quickly roll it up again. Now once that is done, we'll transfer it to our baking pan, lined with some baking paper. Then we allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Then you watch it slowly expand to fill the pan, then it's ready to go. We'll crack an egg and make an egg wash so that we can coat the bread with egg wash So once it's baked, it will create this nice golden brown surface. If you like it more brown, you give it a few coating. If not, that is sufficient. Then we'll set our oven at 185 degrees Celsius. We put the dough in and bake it for 25 minutes. Now once it's done, we allow it to cool for 10 minutes before you handle it. And take it out of your tray and leave it on a resting rack. Now look how beautiful this is. It's all complete. Now for a taste test, just cut it open and examine. And you can have it over some butter, kaya, or even peanut butter and jelly. Whichever way you prefer, you can enjoy it. Freshly baked bread right now. Okay, I hope you enjoy that. I hope you like the recipe. It is straightforward and simple. And if you have any question, leave it in the comments. I hope you can go home and try making your version of it now. And let me know how yours turned out. Okay, well, if you like everything, make sure you like the video as well as subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, until next time, we'll see you again. Bye now.